Happy Friday, my friends. We have made it through another week, and I am coming at you with another non-phone data entry job lead. But if this job lead turns out not to be for you, there are two things that you can do. One, I posted a video yesterday about a part-time flexible work-from-home job. That one is non-phone as well, and you can set your own schedule with that one. And I actually spent some time last night going through the application process, and it was very, very easy. It gives you instructions of what the job would entail because it's checking data to see if certain things show up in the data, and you either basically click yes or no kind of thing. And they gave you the instructions and they gave you a little test, and to me the test was very easy, so you might want to go check out that video after this one. And two, you can leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always checking the comments to see what people are looking for, and I keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But today's job lead is in the healthcare field, because I know from the comments many of you like the healthcare field. It is from the healthcare company Zelis. They are a leading healthcare payments company, and they are hiring a data entry specialist to work remote. Now, this is full-time for my United States folks only. And they are looking for someone to be responsible for entering medical claim forms like the HCFA 1500, and that's on the physician billing side. That's what physician charges are billed on. And the UB04, now that is for facility claims or hospital claims into their house database, vendor web tools, etc. So if you don't have any healthcare experience, of course, when we get down to the experience, they do prefer it, but it is not required. That is some knowledge you can throw out there to help get you in front of the line, something to help you if you get an interview, something to make you look like you have some healthcare knowledge and help you get the job. Tell them you know the HCFA 1500 is for physician claims and physician charges, and the UB04 is for facility and hospital charges. You'll also serve as a backup for scanning and provider service intake, and you'll maintain awareness of their standards regarding privacy because health information is very protected. So they want you to have a basic understanding of keying medical claims that require entry into CMS, or they can be found on claim forms. Be detail oriented. They want you to be able to solve problems, call attention to detail, be very alert and attentive to those details, and be able to maintain a professional manner. Now, they are looking for someone with a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. It says 2 years experience with the healthcare industry is preferred, but that is not required. You just have to have solid verbal and written communication skills. They do want someone who has knowledge of Microsoft Outlook, Word, Excel, and someone who has great organizational skills and, of course, great typing skills. Now, while this job does not particularly say, because I work in the healthcare field, we key claims into insurance portals all day long. A big healthcare company, normally their system electronically sends out claims to healthcare companies, and you don't have to key them. Of course, sometimes when we have to attach medical records or something like that, we will actually manually key the claim into a form on the insurance company's website. So like for Blue Cross, they have the Blue website, and you would go in there and start like typing the patient's name, the diagnosis code, all of this off the claim form in your system into the insurance's system. So I'm assuming it's something like that that they are hiring for, and that is straight data entry. You would be reading off a form in one system and entering that same information into a different system. And unfortunately, they don't list the pay for this position. You would have to ask that at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.